power of ChatGPT, like any tool, depends on the skill of those who use it. 1. Generate better and more efficient research. Even with so much information available, the seller still needs to collect data, then sift through it to find the key points that matter. This is where ChatGPT can help. Consider prompts like, summarize the key points of the following 10K filing. List all published reports and survey data on the following challenges. Create a list of all articles and press releases mentioning the following company. 2. Create more comprehensive account plans. Creating an account plan means understanding the customer's strategic goals. Sellers need to know what different stakeholders consider important. ChatGPT is equipped to help. Consider prompts like, summarize the contents of the following call transcript. Generate a list of key responsibilities, by role, of executives in the following industry. What job titles have seen the most growth in the following industry in the last 5 years? 3. Get new value from existing content. Sellers can get more value from marketing assets by summarizing them to fit within the customer's limited schedule. ChatGPT is the solution. Consider prompts like, summarize the following into a 100-word piece of text. Provide 3 alternative subject headlines for the following. Generate a social media post of 15 words based on the following text. Check out our latest brief for more tips and make ChatGPT work for you.